As of January 6th, the Employee National Insurance Class 1 contributions have been reduced from 12% to 10%. This is a change that will positively impact 27 million people, saving the average earner over £450. A reminder, the deadline for paper-form tax returns was October 31st, 2023, but fret not, online filing is available until January 31st. Be aware though, late returns face a penalty of £100 if up to 3 months late, with additional fines thereafter. Looking ahead, on March 6th, further tax cuts may be announced in the spring budget. While these potential cuts are yet to be confirmed, they are expected to be part of the Chancellor's strategy. On the same date, there's also speculation about the possible abolition of inheritance tax. If confirmed, this would likely be an election strategy, though implementation may take time. By April, self-employed workers can expect a 1 percentage point cut off the rate charged for Class 4 national insurance contributions. This will save 2 million self-employed workers £350 a year. In addition, Class 2 national insurance will be abolished, saving the average self-employed person £192 a year. Also in April, the government is set to simplify ISAs. This will allow for multiple subscriptions of the same type each year, and facilitate partial transfers between providers. However, the ISA annual allowance will remain frozen at £20,000. But it's not all cuts and simplifications. The capital gains tax allowance will be reduced to £3,000, and the dividend allowance will drop to £500, both in April. Council tax is also expected to rise from April 1st, though the exact rates are yet to be announced. Finally, alcohol duties have been frozen until August 1st, 2024, a decision that was influenced by the Sun's campaign. The future rates will be announced in the spring budget. In summary, 2024 brings a mix of tax cuts and simplifications, along with certain increases. These changes will impact a broad range of taxpayers, including workers, the self-employed, and savers. As the year progresses and further announcements are made, the full implications of these changes will become clearer. Stay informed and plan ahead.